Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, as you can see on my GE refrigerator, I am getting this message, reset filter. Okay, so filter has age and after some time it becomes ready to be changed. So I have this filter, new filter, I am gonna change it. So the very first thing, I'm gonna take this plastic cover out, and this sticker you see that say remove before installation. So these two I need to take out, so I'm gonna do this. So after taking this off, this looks like this. Now I'm gonna open the door and I'm gonna take it up from there. So you can see that it's here filter. So first we need to take it off. So just follow the same convention, like I'm moving it to anti-clockwise and it comes out. Okay, now we can throw this, and now I'm gonna bring the new filter. So this is the new filter I have. Now see this triangle and match. You see there's a match, so that you need to keep in your mind before you actually install, and just like move it clockwise and it gets locked. Okay, now let's come out of it. So I'm here again. Now press it. Sometimes you may need to do it a few times. So now it has gone. Okay, and first time when you press, like you may find a higher flow of water for a few seconds, because in order to meet up the gap, and after that now it's absolutely normal. So this is how you can do this, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.